What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Rabbid Kong from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the inside of the eyes. We're going to add a fold for the eyelid, going up and then out. And we'll tuck the pupils in underneath. Starting at the top, we're going to draw a circle, coming around and then back in. Let's add a smaller circle in the center for the pupils, and we'll fill those in black. And then going back in between the eyes, we're going to add a fold, going up and then down. Let's draw the bottom half of the muzzle, starting underneath the eye, come around, go across the middle, and then bring that up on the right side. Now I'm going to add a curve from left to right, going up and then down from the mouth. Then I'll add a large tooth over on the left side. We're going to go up, across, and then down. Now directly above the eyes, we're going to add the ears. Let's start on the left side. We're going to start by going up and then out, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now you want to round up the end of the ear, come down and then in towards the bottom. Now let's trace the ears along the inside. Starting from the bottom point, we go up, around, and then back in. Let's add that fur in between the ears. Starting on the left, we're going to come in and up, bend it down to create a point. Let's do that again, going up in the middle, and then back down. Let's go up and out, come down towards the right. Now we're going to add one more point, and just tuck this in behind the right ear. Let's go to the bottom of the ear, we're going to curve the head, going out, around, and then in towards the middle. Go to the right side and do the same, going out around the eye, around the face, and then back in. Let's add a curve from that point for the tie, going up and then down. From the ends, angles down and in. Close off the bottom with another curve. Now I want to draw the outside edge of the cape. Let's start from the side of the head, then it's down and in. I'm just going to tear up the bottom. I'm going to go up and then down, and it's down and then in towards the corner of the tie. Let's go to the right side. Coming down and in. Let's add a small curve. Continue down and then in towards that side. Let's go to the bottom corner of the knot. We're going to curve the tie going out towards the left. So let's start on the left. Coming down and then out. Go to the right side. We can go wider as we come down towards the bottom. Just going to pull this down and in towards a center point. Now along the bottom of the tie, let's add DK. So we're going to start on the left side. Coming down. Just trace the outside of the D. I'm just going to trace the outside of the K. Now I'm going to move out and draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this down, and then in towards the hip. Let's line this up on the right. Coming down, and then in. Let's bend the legs, coming out and then down towards the bottom. And then round out the bottom of the feet. Down and then up. And pull the legs going up and then in towards the top. And we'll close off the top with a curve, just overlapping the legs. Now in the center of the body, in behind the tie, we're going to draw an oval. So let's start down here on the left, come all the way around, and tuck that back in. Now from the hips, we're going to add a trim going across the top. Let's start on the left side, we go up, go across the middle, in behind the tie, continue on the right, going out, and then down towards the hip. Let's go to the side of the body, we're going to draw the inside edge of the arms. We're going to start on the left, then it's out, and then down, go to the right side, do the same thing. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb. I'm going to curve the hand, coming down and then up along the outside. Now I'm going to bend the arm going up and then in towards the side of the head. Go up, and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the hand, and bend this up towards the top. Now let's separate the wrist. Starting from the top of the thumb, we're going to bend this out, down, and then back up. Let's finish off by layering the cape over on the left side. We're going to start underneath the body, bend this down and out. And I just want to tear up the bottom edge with these curves. It's going to vary the size. And then tuck this up underneath the body. Let's add some holes across the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Rabbid Kong from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.